If you buy a house in Dubai, this property is yours, even though you don't live there.
Wow!
For generations, it is yours. You also become eligible for a golden visa if you have made a down payment of up to 2 million, even if the rest of the property value is mortgaged. Exciting, isn't it? Are you an expat wanting to invest in the Dubai real estate market? Are you wondering how much you may borrow from the bank for a mortgage? Perhaps you are looking for a house loan in the UAE exclusively for expats. In this video, we will go over everything you need to know before you take the next step on your property adventure in Dubai. Stay tuned. Mortgage rules in the UAE. The UAE Central Bank enforces two rules. Number one, mortgage limit. You can borrow up to 7 times of your annual income. That's the maximum limit you can borrow a loan from a bank for a house. Second, payment limit. Your total monthly payments, including loans and credit cards, cannot exceed half of your salary. These are the factors that affect how much you can borrow for a mortgage. To get a mortgage in Dubai is a simple and easy process. If you are an employee with salary and you have worked for a large international company for several years and have a good credit history. Now let's see who are eligible to get a mortgage in UAE. For a mortgage in the United Arab Emirates, you have to fulfill these conditions. Income, you need a salary of at least 10,000 dirhams per month. Age, the minimum age to get a mortgage in the UAE is 21 years. Nationality, there is no nationality requirement to get a mortgage. Additionally, both expats and non-residents can get a mortgage in Dubai. How much loan you will get? When it comes to mortgage, the loan to value ratio is a tool used to calculate how much you can borrow in relation to the property's value. Maximum LTV, loan to value ratio, for expats is 80% and for Emiratis it's 85%. But if the property is still under construction, LTV comes down to 50% for both expats and Emiratis. Non-residents can get up to 60% mortgage in Dubai. Let's say a house is worth 2 million. The maximum LTV in the UAE is 80%. What does it mean? It means you can borrow up to 1.6 million dirham from a bank. The lender is willing to finance 80% of the property's value and the rest is paid by you. How long is loan repayment period? Now let's talk about the loan term. The loan term is the term specified to repay the loan. In the UAE, the maximum loan term is 25 years or up to age 65 if you are a salaried employee, or in case you are self-employed, the age is extended up to 70 years. Now let's talk about what documents are generally required from the applicant to get the loan from a bank. These are the documents. You can pause the video and take a screenshot of what is relevant for you because the documents criteria is different for residents and non-residents as well as salaried and self-employed. To take a mortgage, it would be much convenient to take a loan from the same bank in which you have a salary account. I have seen, if I'm not wrong, that Mashreq Neo Bank does not require salary transfer to the bank. So if you don't want to transfer your salary and want to take a mortgage loan, then you can consider Mashreq Neo Bank. Also, Mashreq Neo Bank has very convenient rules and policies when it comes to expats. Now let's talk about some additional expenses. These associated fees are other than property value. Number one is Dubai Land Department fee, which is 4%. Agent fee, which is normally 2%. Property valuation fee. This is done by external evaluators and they determine the property value. This is required by banks. Not to forget insurance. This insurance includes property insurance and some banks like ADCB also require life insurance as mandatory. This life insurance is used to evaluate the duration of the loan. So if these values are included in the mortgage property, it would be very much helpful for you as this will become a part of the loan. Otherwise, you will have to pay it yourself. So here is a disclaimer. I'm not into mortgage business. This is the information I collected for myself and liked it to share with others as well. It would be better to consult a professional before taking a mortgage. But the process is not difficult if you have the documents ready. I'm also looking forward to make a video about Islamic mortgage in UAE. If you are interested in this video, please write Islamic mortgage in the comment section. I will definitely read about it and make a video. Take care.